Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing all fine. Today I brought for you another watch review. It's called Mission to the Moon. It's a replica of Speedmaster, but from the official companies themselves. As you guys know, Omega is owned by Swatch. This is a collaboration between Omega and Swatch to make an affordable replica of Speedmaster. This is a box of the watch, guys. It's a simple cardboard box. Again, nothing fancy about it. Some details are there on the box. It's a bioceramic watch, moon swatch collection. Some details about the moon. Temperature on the moon is minus 23 degrees centigrade. Takes 6 days to reach the moon. Has low gravity and has no atmosphere whatsoever. On the other side of the watch box, guys, these are the types of watches that Omega and Swatch collaborated for. Mission to Sun, Mission to Mercury, Mission to Moon is the one that I own. We will see all of these watches images with the sticker inside it. On this side of the watch box, guys, Omega logo and Swatch logo is there. On the other side also Omega and Swatch logo. So let's open the box. When you open the box, it's a butterfly box, guys. So there you go. This is the Omega Swatch with grey color and black dial. We'll talk about the watch in a little while. We'll see what else is there in the box. So we have this brochure with images of the watches that Omega and Swatch are producing and a how-to guide. This seemed like a newspaper to me, guys, because it was huge. I've never seen a how-to guide except in medicine bottles, which is smaller than this. But this was really huge. It looked like a newspaper, However, we will keep it on the side. We'll see what kind of watches are available. So guys, the first one was Mission to Sun, Mission to Mercury, Mission to Venus, Mission to Earth, Mission to Moon, which I own, Mission to Mars, Mission to Jupiter, Mission to Uranus, guys. I've seen girls mostly wearing this. Girls love this watch more, as some of my colleagues also had wore it. This is the watch, Moon Swatch, that I own. Let's talk about the watch now, guys. It's a quartz watch. It's not an automatic watch. It is a battery operated watch. When I bought the watch, guys, unfortunately a scratch came on the screen of the watch. It's a plastic, not a glass, and this scratch makes it much more vulnerable, as simple accidents can cause scratches on the plastic of the watch, which makes the beauty of the watch affected. From the back, guys, there is image of the moon, and it's a gray color body of the watch with, I'm not sure if it is a leather strap, but it's kind of a mixture between leather and rubber, or maybe a cloth strap. The watch looks beautiful, guys, with its contrast between black and gray. The strap is a sticky strap with Speedmaster logo. Stickiness of the strap is quite strong. You don't need to worry if your watch will fall down while wearing. Let's talk about the watch, guys. Now, as you can see, there are three subdials in the watch. The lower dial is the seconds hand dial, which will be always moving. We have hour hand, minute hand, and in the lower dial we have second hands. On right hand subdial there are hours for the chronograph, and on left hand subdial there are minutes for the chronograph. As you guys can see, I have started the chronograph and the primary seconds hand has started to move, which will accumulate to 1 minute, and minute hand will move, which will accumulate to 1 hour, and hours hand will move. Now, in order to reset the chronograph, you press the start button again, and the chronograph will stop. You can read the time that is completed, and then you have to press reset button again to make it fly back to its original position, and all the dials will be in reset position. In this watch, only seconds hand will be moving, which will accumulate to minutes hand and hour hand to move. Again, I must say Swatch and Omega have put some effort in making the watch look good. However, I have some concerns where I don't feel satisfied with the markings of the second hand. For example, the second hand is moving and I don't feel like they are moving on the markings. For a watch that is amounting to 940 dirhams in UAE and around $250, this should not be happening. Quality of the watch should be maintained, especially for the brands that it's made with. Omega and Swatch, they're not small brands to release a watch with imperfections. Other than that, guys, when you wear the watch, it looks good. It tells you time, tells you perfect time. Automatic watches, you need to wind them, and quartz watches, you don't need to wind them. Now let's see how the watch reacts to UV light. We will see if there is any illumination on the watch and how the watch illuminates. As you guys can see, the minutes marking and hour hand and minute hands and the bigger second hands, they're glowing. I've turned off the light to show you guys how the glowness of this watch is. So as you guys can see, it's not that great of a glow compared to other watches, and it doesn't last long also. Having said that, guys, it's not too bad as well. My only recommendation at the end of this review will be that the glass on the watch should actually have been a glass or a sapphire crystal, so that the watch for simple scratches would not be damaged. Now my watch is damaged and I'm not happy with it, and I have zero idea how it got damaged, and I sometimes doubt the seller also. Maybe it was already damaged, who knows. Anyways, guys, there are some images how the watch would look like on your wrist. Thank you for watching my reviews, guys. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest videos. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.